Today, we're making a super easy sesame chicken meal prep made with simple ingredients and in less than 20 minutes. So let's jump right into it. Also, if you like these kind of quick meal prep recipes, hit that thumbs up button so I know to do some more of them. And why is it already dark out at 4 p.m.? We're gonna start this one by making our sauce. To make it, take out a bowl and add into that bowl 5 tablespoons of a low sodium soy sauce, some optional hot sauce, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger, a tablespoon of sesame seeds, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of cold water prior to adding it in. Give all those ingredients a mix until everything is combined. Next, take out a large bowl and add in 2 pounds of your choice chopped up chicken. Today I'm using chicken thighs, which are a bit fattier, but I'll make sure to include the calories for chicken breasts on the proteinchef.co too. P.S. If you've never tried chicken thighs before, they're seriously delicious and almost always cheaper than chicken breasts. Continue in that bowl with a little salt and pepper and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix everything around. Using your hand will make this step easier. Next, take out a stovetop pan, turn your burner on medium heat, and add into it 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil. Once it heats up, add in your chicken mix, let it cook for a couple minutes. Flip your chicken over. Once it looks like this, let it cook for however long it takes to have the same result on that side. Last, pour in your mix and let it simmer for a few minutes or until your sauce thickens up. You'll know it's done when it looks like this. Don't forget, you can easily scale the recipe to make more or less depending on your meal prep requirements. With that said, testing your guesstimating is back. What do you all think this weighs? The entire thing. 1 guess per person in the comments below. The winner will get a shaker or shirt. Thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more quick meal prep ideas like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to check out the proteinchef.co for all your recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy. Recipes, hit that thumbs up.